Al-Kawthar, abundant goodness, is chapter 108 in the Quran. This Meccan chapter was revealed to reassure Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during a difficult time, when his son passed away. His enemies in Mecca were celebrating the fact that he lost all his sons at a young age. They believed that Muhammad, peace be upon him, would be forgotten because he had no son to carry his name after he dies. The chapter came to redefine this notion of legacy for Meccans, that Prophet Muhammad's legacy will carry on despite his sons passing away, because of the many followers he will have, who will continue his sunnah and way of life long after he dies. The chapter begins with Inna a'tainaka al-Kawthar. Indeed, we have granted you, O Prophet, abundant goodness. Kawthar is a river in heaven. Upon entering, believers will drink from it. Linguistically, however, Kawthar refers to the abundance of everything good that God has blessed Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, with. God is saying, yes, you have lost your son, but look at all the amazing things you've been given, not only in this world, but in the next. Like being chosen to be the final messenger and prophet, and the Holy Quran, with its infinite lessons and miracles, and a nation of followers who will continue to grow and spread all over the world long after you die. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. So pray and sacrifice to your Lord alone. Meaning all these blessings you've been given should bring you closer to Allah, by praying more to Him and thanking Him for His blessings, and by sacrificing an animal and sharing its meat with the poor. Inna shani'aka huwa al-abtar. Only the one who hates you is truly cut off from any goodness. Meaning it is not you who is cut off from goodness by not having sons to carry your legacy. Instead, the ones who hate you and fight you will be the ones who are long forgotten after they are gone. Help us create more videos by visiting our website today and contributing to our mission and project. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more videos and content.